Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can enable or disable dark mode. Then we can schedule it. And in dark mode options, we can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and enable dark mode for certain apps. Then we can change brightness level of the display manually or automatically. Next, we can enable or disable reading mode, schedule it, and adjust its intensity. Then we can change color scheme between vivid, saturated and standard, and also we can change color temperature of the screen. Next we can change font, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and we can enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.